ሰላም ቤተሰብ፣ ሚስተር ሶል ነኝ። ዛሬ ደግሞ የግሬድ 11 ዩኒት 8 ኦሞቲክ ስቴቶችን ሪቫይዝ ሊያደርጉላችሁ የሚችሉ ምርጥ ጥያቄዎችን ይዤ መጥቻለሁ። መልካም ጊዜ። ጥያቄ ቁጥር 1 The Omotic language family belongs to which larger language group? The Omotic language family belongs to which larger language group? A. Afro-Asiatic B. Nilo-Saharan C. Cushitic C. Semitic. The correct answer is Afro-Asiatic. The Omotic languages belongs to the Afro-Asiatic language superfamily. So the correct answer is A. Question number 2. Which of the following is the primary economic activity of the Omotic peoples? Which of the following is the primary economic activity of the Omotic peoples? A. Fishing B. Mining C. Sedentary agriculture D. Trade. Our correct answer is C. Sedentary agriculture is the main or primary economic activity of the Omotic peoples of Ethiopia. Question number 3. Which crop was the staple food of many of the Omotic peoples? Which crop was the staple food for many Omotic peoples? A. Wheat B. ጤፍ C. Maize D. እንሰት. Our correct answer is the staple food of many of the Omotic peoples is እንሰት. But not only for the Omotic peoples, but also many of the southern states. The southern states staple food is እንሰት. እንሰት የተለያየ ነገር ያገለግላል። ቆጮ ይሰራበታል፣ እንዲሁም ደግሞ ቡላ ይሰሩበታል። በዛ የተነሳ ስቴፕል ፉዳቸው ሆኖ ያገለግላል ማለት ነው። ጥያቄ ቁጥር 4 The rulers of Kafa, Shaka and Yem used which royal title? The rulers of Kafa, Shaka and Yem used which royal title? A. Kao B. Kati C. Tato D. Amno. Our correct answer is C. Tato. The rulers of Kafa, Shaka and Yem used the royal title which is known as Tato. The correct answer is C. Question number 5. The council that assisted the king in the kingdom of Yem was called A. Astesor B. Mikricho C. Goka D. Woga. Our correct answer is A. Astesor. A. Astesor. Because the Astesors were the advisors or the counselors of the kingdom of Yem. የየም ንጉስ አድቫይዘርስ ወይም ደግሞ ካውንስለርስ አስቴሶርስ ተብለው ይጠራሉ ማለት ነው። Question number 6. The capital of the kingdom of Yem was A. Bonga B. Lote C. Gecha D. Angarfochara. የየም ካፒታል ሲቲ ማን ተብላ ትጠራለች ነው ጥያቄያችን። The correct answer is አንጋር ፎቻራ. The correct answer is D. አንጋር ፎቻራ was the capital of the kingdom of Yem. ሌሎቹ ማየት እንችላለን። ቦንጋ it was the capital of Kafa. So the correct answer is D. ጥያቄ ቁጥር 7. The ruling dynasty of Kafa from about 1390 was, that means 14ኛው ሴንቸሪ ማለት ነው, after the 14th century ብለን ኢንተርፕሬት ማድረግ እንችላለን። The ruling dynasty of Kafa from about 1390 or after 14th century was A. Tigray dynasty B. Minjo dynasty C. Mowa dynasty D. Halmam-Gama dynasty. Our correct answer is which one? Our correct answer is B. Minjo dynasty. Minjo dynasty. Tigray dynasty, it was the dynasty of Wolaita. Moa and Halmam-Gama dynasty, they were dynasties of the kingdom of Yem. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Minjo dynasty. Okay. ጥያቄ ቁጥር 8 The council of the kingdom of Kaffa was known as. The council of the kingdom of Kaffa was known as A. Astesor, B. Irasho, C. Mekricho, D. Gagna. The correct answer is C. Mekricho ተብሎ ይጠራሉ። ምክንያቱም እነዚህ ሜክሪቾች ስራቸው ምንድን ነው? They are counselors or advisors of king of Kaffa. ወደ ቀጣይ ጥያቄ እናልፋለን። ጥያቄ ቁጥር 9 What natural feature protected the northern frontier of Kaffa? What natural feature protected the northern frontier of Kaffa? A. Blue Nile River, B. Gojeb River, C. Awash River, D. Omo River. Our correct answer is B. Gojeb River. ከፋ ሁለት አይነት ዲፌንስ ሲስተሞች ነበሯት። አንደኛው ናቹራል ዲፌንስ ነው። ሁለተኛው ደግሞ ማንሜድ ዲፌንስ ነው። ናቹራል ዲፌንስ የነበረው ጎጀብ ሪቨር ነው። ጎጀብ ሪቨር በኖርዘን በኩል በሰሜን በኩል እንደ ዲፌንስ ያገለግላታል። ሌሎች ማንሜድ ዲፌንስ ሲስተሞችም ነበሯት። ለምሳሌ ዎቺንግ ታወሮችን መገንባት እንዲሁም ደግሞ ትሬንቾችን ወይም ደግሞ ምሽጎችን መቆፈር ነበሩ ማለት ነው። Question number 10 The defense trench of Kaffa was known as A. Hirio, B. Lijajo Kella, C. Woga, D. Goka. Our correct answer is known as A. Hirio. የከፋ ነገስታቶች ሰው ሰራሽ ትሬንቾችን ወይም ደግሞ ምሽጎችን ይገነቡ ነበር። እነዚህ ምሽጎች ምን ተብሎ ይጠራሉ? ሂሪዮ ተብሎ ይጠራሉ። ስለዚህ ኮሬክት አንሰራችን ኤ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ጥያቄ ቁጥር 11 Christianity was introduced into Shaka during the reign of A. Menelik II, B. King Amdezion, C. King Sertse Dingil, D. Yisak. Our correct answer is C. King ሰርጸ ድንግል። ኪንግደም ኦፍ ከፋ ነገስታቶች ክርስትናን የተቀበሉት በሰርጸ ድንግል ጊዜ ነበረ። ጥያቄ ቁጥር 12 The royal title used by Wolaita kings was A. ካኦ, B. ታቶ, C. አምኖ, D. ኢራቃቲ. Our correct answer is A. Kao. The rulers of Kaffa, the rulers of Wolaita, Gamo, and also Gofa use the royal title known as Kao. Because of that reason, the correct answer is A. Kao. Question number 13. 1-3. The defensive wall of Wolaita is traditionally known as A. Hirio, B. Lijajo Kella, C. Qati Halala Kella, D. Woga. Our correct answer is B. Lijajo ኬላ ተብሎ ይጠራል። የወላይታ ነገስታቶች ትራዲሽናሊ ዲፌንሲቭ የገነቡትን ዲፌንሲቭ ዎል ምን ብለው ይጠሩታል? ሊጃጆ ኬላ ብለው ይጠሩታል። Question number 14. 1-4. Who was the most powerful ruler of Wolaita in the 19th century? A. Qati Halala, B. Qao Gobe, C. ቃውጦና ጋጋ። ሲ ጋኪ ሸሮቾ። Our correct answer is B. Kao Gobbe was the strong or the most powerful king of the 19th century Walaita. Question number 15. The Dauro defensive walls are called. የዳውሮ የኪንግደም ኦፍ ዳውሮ ዲፌንሲቭ ዎልሶች ምን ተብለው ይጠራሉ? ኤ ሂሪዮ፣ ቢ ሊጃጆ ኬላ፣ ሲ ቃቲ ሃላላ ኬላ፣ ዲ ሜክሪቾ። our correct answer is ቃቲ ሃላላ ኬላ ሲ። ምክንያቱም ሂሪዮ የከፋ ነው፣ ሊጃጆ ኬላ የወላይታ ነው፣ ሚክሪቾ ደግሞ the advisors of the king of ከፋ ነው። ስለዚህ መልሳችን ሲ ነው። question number 16. in the kingdom of Gofa the reign king was known as. in the kingdom of Gofa the reign king was known as ያው ጎፋዎች ሬን ኪንግ ነበራቸው፣ ሬንን ኮንትሮል የሚያደርግ ያ ማን ይባላል ነው የሚለን። ኤ ኢራቃቲ፣ ቢ ቃኦ፣ ሲ ኢራሾ፣ ዲ ቃቲ። our correct answer is ኢራቃቲ። ኤ ኢራቃቲ was the reign king of Gofa. question number 17. the customary legal system of the Gofa people was called. the customary legal system of Gofa people was called A አስቴሶር፣ ቢ ሚክሪቾ፣ ሲ ወጋ፣ ዲ ጎቃ። the correct answer is C ወጋ ተብሎ ይጠራል። የከስተመሪ ሎ ማለት ባህላዊ ህግ እንደማለት ነው። ባህላዊ ህጋቸው የኪንግደም ኦፍ ጎፋ ባህላዊ ህግ ወጋ እየተባለ ይጠራል ማለት ነው። እንግዲህ ይዘናቸው የነበሩ ጥያቄዎች እነዚህን ይመስላሉ። በቀጣይ እስከምንገናኝ መልካም ጊዜ